What just happened? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What is going on? What? No! What? That did not go as planned. No way! What the heck is this? Wait.
It's not ready.
It's not cooked yet. Okay. Holy Toledo! Whoa! Holy marshmallow!
For real. Turn it back.
Alright, put it back. Okay, so here's what happened. I had a good idea to put the marshmallows
I don't know if it was a good idea.
in the brownie mix. I thought it was gonna be gold. This is...
It's gonna be gold because once we cut it, it's gonna be like nice.
Well, I thought it was gonna be gold, like as in...
How much more time do you think it needs? Like 10 minutes?
Yeah, I would say like 10 minutes, yeah.
That was so funny. I opened the oven and I was like, oh my god! What
We just created magic. Magic.
Trader Joe's marshmallows don't melt.
No. We'll be back. How's the ice cream?
What?
With the smoothie. I mean, not the smoothie, the brownie.
Good.
Yeah?
Mishka, it's not for you. No.
She's licking the lips. She wants to taste. Give her a little taste.
This chocolate, are you crazy?
It's okay. Next time, Mishka. Alright, I'm gonna get mine. The marshmallow kind of exploded. As you can see. Still tastes good. Don't judge the looks, but judge the taste. I'm gonna mix it with this. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be golden. Delicioso. That's a wrap. Good night. See you next time. Say goodbye, guys. Bye, Aiden. Bye, Mishka.